Karim Benzema admitted Sunday that he had no hope of playing at the World Cup next year. Karim Benzema believes his exile from the France squad is down to his alleged role in blackmailing Mathieu Valbuena over a sex tape and does not expect to return while Didier Deschamps is in charge. Deschamps suggested in May that bringing Benzema in would put the harmony of the team at risk, and the 29-year-old feels it could be because of his alleged involvement in the scandal. The Real Madrid striker has not represented France since he was charged by police in 2015 in connection to an alleged blackmail attempt targeting Mathieu Valbuena with his sex tape, a case which has yet to go to trial. In July, the Court of Cassation, France's court of final appeals in civil and criminal proceedings, ruled in Benzema's favor. Defense for Benzema argued the police acted dishonestly as an undercover officer posed as a friend of Valbuena's while negotiating with the blackmailers, who are alleged to have approached a friend of Benzema's, which prompted the striker to discuss the matter with Valbuena while on international duty. Benzema's defense argued that the officer played an active role in pushing the parties towards a deal and that no crime would have taken place if he had not. Benzema, who has scored 27 goals for France, last played for the national team in October 2015. Benzema missed Euro 2016 on home soil last year as a result of his continued exile, and he appears unlikely to earn a recall with Les Bleus in time for the 2018 World Cup.